Hello all, today we are going to see how to do a doorbell. I have taken a Arduino board. I have gone to Tinkercad and create a new circuit, and in the new circuit I have taken Arduino and Piezo and a push button. So the push button one end I'm connecting to a resistor, and that end is going to ground, and the other end is going to 5 volt, and here again it's going to 2. So in Piezo, plus is going to 13 and minus is going to ground. So let's go to the code. So the code is very simple here. I'm reading on pin 2, and if pin 2 is 1, then I'm playing a speaker on pin 13 with tone 60 for 1 second. So this is print to serial monitor is just to print the value of digital read pin. This is not important. You don't need to add this, but this is important. This is what the buzzer is playing when the switch push button is pressed. The buzzer will play. So that's the code. So the text code is here. So in pin mode 2, serial monitor for printing or values, and pin mode 13 is output. Pin mode 2 is input, so the input is coming from the push button, so that's why it's input, and 13 we are playing a buzzer, so that's why this is output. So here we are reading it's because this is a digital pin, so digital pin read, so digital read of 2, the pin 2 is equal to 1, then play the tone. So tone is 13 is our pin, and we are playing some music. This is the tone number 523, and for 1 second, so that is 1000. So there is a delay added, that's it. So let's start this simulator. Okay, I'm stopping this one, and I'll go to code and copy this code, go to Arduino, select a new sketch, control paste, and copy the whole code here. Let's compile this and upload it. So it's done. So I'm just I wanted to show you the demo, but we can't show you in this video. I'll show you in a separate video, but you can hear the sound. I press the button and the buzzer is playing. Okay, I will create another video with the demo. Thanks for watching this.